Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantelle. So today we are going to do a tour of the bedroom and I'm going to show you what it was like before and some of the things that I did to make it more like me, reflect who I am, my personality and my interests. So one of the first things that I did was to paint the room and added texture because I love texture. And then I wanted to do something with these old drawers. They were really good, in good condition, but they were just really outdated and needed updating. So I had a stencil, I used it on a couple of projects and I used that to update it. And then I decided that I wanted to do my own art. So I upcycled an old canvas I had and just added some abstract patterns and smudged that in with some colours, and this is what it looked like. The stencil pattern and the new hardware has given the drawers a new lease of life and bring a lot more energy to the space. I love plants and I have a couple in the bedroom, not too much, I didn't want to go overboard, but I just really love that plants bring life to your space. And this hanging plant is so dramatic, and also this one in the corner here, it just adds that kind of finishing touch that I really love. I'm really big on texture and I love having textured wall decor, things that are going to bring a three-dimensional aspect like the macrame pieces or these kind of tribal pieces here. I love just to have different things, not just to have art on the wall. So for me, I want to be able to see my culture and identity in my home, so that comes through in terms of the fabrics and the patterns that I choose. That's really important to me and something that I put intention to. The other thing is I really like thrifted furniture because I like pieces with character, so I try to mix old and new. I am definitely a wanderlust at heart, so picking up pieces on my travel and showcasing them around the home is something that I love to do. It just makes me feel, really good and connected to the places that I've visited, and just brings back really good memories when I see, pieces dotted around the home that I've picked up from my travels. So these are a few of the ways that I've developed this space to reflect who I am, to reflect my personality, to reflect my interests, to reflect the things that I like. And if you are wanting to do the same, create a space that reflects who you are, we have a free video guide that is available to give you some tips and tricks. The link to that is in the description below. Alright, so thanks for watching, and until next time, catch you soon.